Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jackson Jet Setting hotel review. Today we're checking out the Sheraton Suites in Wilmington, Delaware. I did get upgraded to a nice little view room here, but every room in this hotel is a true suite with a separate bedroom away from the living room. It seems like the hotel is under renovation still a little bit in the public spaces, but a lot was done during my visit, and the room itself looked really nice. It's located right in downtown Wilmington, good location for visiting businesses or if you happen to be in the area. So you can see here, just toured the living room there, had a nice little wet bar, brand new television, and nice king bed there. And then we're gonna walk into the closet area and the bathroom. So I did like staying here during the current Marriott promo where I got double elite nights. Pretty good deal to requalify for platinum status next year. And here's the bathroom. Pretty standard bathroom, but nice new furnishings for sure. Marriott really has upgraded a lot over the last couple of years with some of their bath amenities. Big fan of those. You see that they're kind of reusable now, being a little bit more eco-friendly. Overall, not a really big deal to me. But the elevators themselves were under construction while I was there. That was a little bit annoying. And now we're going to take a look at the hotel gym, which was honestly very nice. Had two different rooms, some Peloton bikes, brand new equipment, nice sunny room as well to work out in. And then the hotel did have a club lounge that was open, but not a ton of amenities going on there in the morning. Should be up and running though here pretty soon. But thanks a lot for watching. That was a quick tour of the Sheraton Suites Wilmington, Delaware.